Commvault workflow examples. You will see 2 examples of misuse and 1 correct use case for the Commvault workflow with this video. If you have prepared scripts, you can use a workflow like this in the first example. So you can make central management, you can add alert for this job. But the troubleshooting side will be hard, you must troubleshoot with old-fashioned methods. If you will write it from the beginning, please use workflow activities. Writing a script similar to the old methods and copying it into a workflow loses its advantages. This second example tries to delete unnecessary SQL databases with run commands on the host. It is a misuse because Commvault has SQL query activity. If someone didn't understand the logic and didn't read documents, can make these errors. This third one is a good example. It reduces your operational workload. It gives error if something wrong. It sends email to related the staff. Finally, you can find the root cause easily when you look at the job details on Commvault. Also I like wait for job activity because I don't need wait and check loop. Otherwise I must put wait activity, then a check command activity with a loop. Thank you for watching. You can comment for your questions or feedback.